You get 3 guesses. After 2, I'll give you a hint.
It looks like some sort of. Well, I don't eat a Dairy Queen.
Just think flavors.
Not Rocky Road.
No. Rocky Road has chocolate in it, Steve.
Yeah, it looks
and
gold.
peanut
It looks
butter.
like gold type of nuggets.
So I'll give you a hint.
Is it pretzels?
No, I'll give you a hint. Crackers.
Cracker Jacks?
Nope. It rhymes with Banimal lacquers.
I can't. I have no idea where to go with that. Can you give me a hint by spelling the entire thing? Really? It's animal crackers?
It is frosted animal crackers.
Oh, I would have never guessed that.